In today's video, we will learn about the cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid that is present in all cells. Now, what is the cytoplasm? As I've already mentioned, it is a gel-like substance that is found inside the cell, but it is more than just a gel-like substance. It fills the space between the nucleus and the cell membrane, which is a really important thing. And also, it is mostly made of water, which you can say, and it has some enzymes, salts, and proteins in it. Moving on, it is also the site of chemical reactions. It is where the most chemical reactions happen inside the cell. It also holds the organelles like chloroplasts, mitochondria, and ribosomes. And many important processes happen here, like protein synthesis, which is just a part of it though, and isolysis, which is the first step of respiration. Well, they also break down waste and transport materials that is inside of the cell. Well, this is the cytoplasm. It's more than just a gel-like substance. They play an important part of the cell. Now, if we look into an animal cell, which is a eukaryotic cell, then we can see there is the cytoplasm over there. It fills the most of the space in a cell, as you can see. It's like the organelles are floating here. It's kind of like that. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any query, please feel free to ask in the comment section. And you should watch this video. You can see over there. And of course, you can see the playlist this video is from. It's all about cells. And yeah, of course, subscribe to see more videos. Thank you.